Welcome back. Today is December 11th, Friday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets really quickly and see how that could affect Algorand, ALGOUSD before diving into the charts for ALGOUSD. I'll be sharing with you my today's bullish and bearish case scenario, which may apply to the next few days in the near future, as well as the price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're now giving away 4 free stocks instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and it will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets. First things first, Bitcoin dominance still at a decision point between its immediate resistance on the daily and weekly time frame right underneath those 50 simple moving averages. Immediate support will be the daily, it will be the 3-day 21 simple moving average as immediate support, depending on which way the price action breaks in between these support and resistances. That could tell me what the trend will be for the next couple of days. Now, Bitcoin price action did have quite a bit of a pullback from about 2 weeks ago until even yesterday. Bitcoin price action now is going to, I think, control a lot of what's going to go on in the altcoin markets. As you guys can see, on the Thanksgiving week and as well as yesterday when Bitcoin pulls back, a lot of altcoins will pull back with it. What I do think is that Bitcoin price action is keeping a lot of these altcoins from breaking out of their reversal patterns, including Algorand. Now let's dive into Algorand and see what exactly has changed since last time. Since last time, I did mention that ALGOUSD is still within a inverse head and shoulders pattern, bullish reversal pattern. There has been quite a few attempts of trying to break through this resistance. I did adjust the resistance now because I do think the main resistance now is about 35 to 36 cents. Okay, that is where the fib level is. That's where a lot of the strong resistance level are, moving averages, such as the 3-day 50 simple moving average and the weekly 21 simple moving average. And I think by the time price action gets close to about 35 cents again, those moving averages will be at or below 35 cents. So 35 cents, I do think that is going to be key resistance and the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders pattern. Now let's take a look into what exactly is going on the lower time frames. On the daily time frame, I do see that the price action is right above the daily 50 simple moving average. Okay, let's see if price action can keep above these moving averages as support. It is also right at the 3-day 21 simple, which is the blue line right here, and the weekly 50 simple moving averages. I think it's very important that price action does not break below these moving averages, okay? Even though if it does break it, I do still think that it could still validate this inverse head and shoulders pattern, but past support becomes resistance. If it actually does break and close below these supports on each of these respective time frames, that could mean longer for the price action to break out of this pattern. Now, the ultimate support I am actually looking at would be about 26.6 cents, which is basically the level of support of the left shoulder. If we actually get closes on the 3-day time frame below this level right here, 26.6 roughly about 26.7, okay, actually 26.75, okay, cents, then in my opinion, this inverse head and shoulder may be invalidated depending on how low it will close on the 3-day time frame. So this is my very short update on Algorand. Now let's also take a look at the measured target of this breakout. Now since I have adjusted the neckline to be lower, and I will have adjusted the distance between the neckline to the head right here, the measured target now for the adjusted neckline would be still about 49 cents, slightly under, I think about 51 cents last time because I did not adjust the neckline. Now it's adjusted for these resistances that I see. So 49 cents would be the measured target. However, that may or may not be reached. It is only theory. Major resistances between the breakout point, it's about 43 cents. And of course, at about 50 cents, the next fib level. Now, the bullish case scenario, well, obviously for number one, the price action does not break below these daily, 3-day, and weekly moving averages. Do not close below these moving averages on each of these respective time frames. If it does, I would be a little more cautious. And of course, if it actually does break the support of this left shoulder right here, like I said, it was about 26.7 cents, I think to be exact, or approximate, does not break that level and still validate this inverse head and shoulders pattern, okay? So that is my bullish case scenario. Stay above these moving averages on these time frames. That is the bullish case scenario. And of course, does not invalidate this inverse head and shoulders pattern. On the flip side, the bearish case scenario would be for price action to start getting closes below each of these moving averages at the very short time frame, at the very short near future, okay? And if it actually does break the support level on the left shoulder, I'll be a lot more cautious then. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Hope you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.